Are you looking for an all-natural, easy-to-make sugar scrub? How about a nice, refreshing peppermint one infused with real mint leaves? Stay tuned and I'll show you how. Hi, I'm Sherry and this is Buddy, top dog of Lucky Dog Creations. Hello friends, today I'm going to be making another sugar scrub. Now I made a little while ago a peppermint sugar scrub, and this is going to expand upon that. This will be the same basic recipe, except for I am going to infuse mint leaves into the coconut oil to give it more of a scent. So let's get started, shall we? So what all do you need for the infused mint sugar scrub? 1/2 cup coconut oil, 1/4 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon vitamin E oil, 10 to 15 drops of peppermint essential oil, and fresh mint leaves. I just went out and clipped these off of my plant. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my mint and cut them up into a little bit smaller pieces. And you could probably do this infused sugar scrub with any herbs or actually any flower petals, depending on what flavor or scent that you want your sugar scrub. So if you have an orange sugar scrub, you could go ahead and do orange petals, or if you want rose or carnation or gardenias or whatever, you could even do, rosemary. Sky's the limit on this. It just gives it a little bit more of a oomph to your sugar scrub, besides just having the essential oils. And the reason why I'm just cutting these up smaller is because they're going to go into this measuring cup with the coconut oil, and I'm going to melt the coconut oil. And then that way, when I go ahead and drain it, because I don't want the leaves, I just want the scent in the oil, it'll be easier to strain if they are in smaller pieces. And so we're going to take a measuring cup and we're going to put our 1/2 cup of coconut oil into the measuring cup, or any heat-proof container, because we're going to heat this up and melt it. And then we're going to take our chopped up mint leaves and put them in the container as well. And then we're going to go ahead and take this over to my stovetop. So if you don't have a double boiler, just go ahead and take a pan, put a little bit of water in it, take your heat-proof cup or bowl, whatever you want to use, and then put it into the water and turn the stove on to about a medium heat. And we'll go ahead and let the coconut oil melt. Okay, so the coconut oil has melted. I am going to let it stay in the hot water for a little while just to get the mint leaves a little bit more infused. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pour this melted coconut oil through the cheesecloth so all of the liquid goes into the cup, but the mint leaves will stay on the cheesecloth, because we do not want the solid mint leaves, we just want the infused oil. Then we carefully take off the rubber band and squeeze out all of the liquid that we can. And there we have a half a cup of liquid coconut oil. So what we will go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and let it cool so it will become back into the solid state that it started off with. It may not have to be as solid, but we don't want it fully liquid in our sugar scrub. So I'll be back when it has solidified a little bit. Alright, so my mint infused coconut oil is back to its original shape. I did end up having to put it in the refrigerator to get it solidified a little bit quicker. We do have the half a cup of the mint infused coconut oil in the bowl. We'll add our 1/4 cup sugar, our 1 teaspoon vitamin E oil, and 15 drops of peppermint essential oil. And go ahead and mix it all up. That's looking pretty good. And we'll go ahead and put it in our jar. And there you have it. And here we have it with a nice little bow, the label, ingredients. And this would be a wonderful gift to give to neighbors, teachers, any quick little something that you need at the spur of the moment, because this doesn't take very long. The longest part on this would be waiting for it to solidify again. But let's go ahead and give it a try. Okay, it feels already, before I put it on, I can feel the sugar. It has a nice peppermint smell. So I'll go ahead and rinse this off and see how it feels. And it feels really, really soft and smooth. And it has a little bit of a smell even after I wash it off. I really like this. I think it's worth going the little extra step and infusing the mint to give it a little boost. So if you like this video, please subscribe. Hit the bell so you can get notices of my future videos. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments and suggestions are always welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.